familiar sight. First, they see Clarabelle going forward, and then Annie and Thomas going behind. They were so surprised by it that they didn't notice they were getting too close to the tracks.
Oh! Stop! Stop the train! Oh, thank goodness.
Oh, Clarabelle, what's going on? Is something on the line?
Well, hard to answer that question. If by any chance you count animals.
Morning, Thomas.
Oh, I should have known.
Thomas, what happened to you?
Nothing. What are you...
Did you hurt yourself or something?
What? No, what are you...
Maybe sick? No, dizzy? Crazy! I bet you're doing whatever you're doing because you've finally gone crazy.
All right, shut up! Thank you. Now, what were you trying to say? And one at a time, please.
Well, why are you going backwards instead of, the other way? Did you break something again?
Oh, you silly fluffballs. I'm not broken down. And Clarabelle, she's not pulling me. On the contrary, I'm pushing her and Annie to the station.
Huh? I don't get it. Usually when we see you, you're always pulled front, never back.
Well, yes, majority of the time I pull my coaches, but sometimes I push them. That's why it's called the pushball train.
Ooh! What does that mean?